Students, let's discuss the mischievous things done by the elephant in this second topic. Curry becomes fond of ripe bananas. He believes in self-help, much to the discomfort of his friend. With quiet dignity, Curry accepts the chiding he knows he deserves. So, this topic is the mischievous things done by the elephant. Let's see. Curry was like a baby. He had to be trained to be good. And if you did not tell him when he was naughty, he was up to more mischief than ever. So, Hari is a very small elephant, Not only that, if we want to train animals, we have to train them just like we have to train the children. So, the Curry was just like a baby. For instance, one day, somebody gave him some bananas to eat. Very soon, he developed a great love for ripe bananas. He used to keep large plates of fruit on a table near a window in the dining room. So, one day what happened? Someone gave him some bananas to the elephant. So, elephant ate it very deliciously and he felt it is very tasty. So, next time, what happened to this family, This family used to keep large plates of fruits on a table near a window in the dining room. One day, all the bananas on the table disappeared and my family blamed the servants for eating all the fruit in the house. So what happened? Every day the family keeps a large plate full of fruits, especially bananas on the near the side of the window. So one day all these bananas, all these fruits disappeared. A few days later the fruits disappeared again. So whenever the fruits disappeared for the first time, the family scolded the servants. So second time, a few days later the fruit disappeared again. This time the blame was put on me and I knew I had not done it. It made me very angry with my parents and the servants, for I was sure they had taken all the fruit. So first time the family they just quarreled with the servants and next time they blamed this child, this boy. So he didn't take. I was sure I had taken all the fruit. The next time the fruit disappeared, I found a banana all smashed up in Curry's pavilion. So many days the bananas will be missing, and one day this boy could understand that whenever he went to the pavilion, that is the shed of the elephant, he could understand that there was smashed up bananas there. This surprised me very much, for I had never seen fruit there, and as you know, he had always lived on twigs. Always he is eating only twigs. That much only I am giving to them. The boy is giving to the elephant only twigs. So bananas he didn't give. So he was surprising to see that the smashed bananas. Next day, while I was sitting in the dining room, wondering whether I should take some fruit from the table without my parents' permission, a long black thing, very much like a snake, suddenly came through the window and disappeared with all the bananas. So what happened? One day when he was sitting in front of the dining table, there was fruits. He was just thinking whether I have to take the fruits without the permission of my parents. By the time a long black thing, just looking like a snake, came through the window and disappeared with all the bananas. I was very much frightened because I had never seen snakes eat bananas, and I thought it must be a terrible snake that would sneak in and take fruit. Sneaking means, what's the meaning of snake? walk as if hiding someone. So he first surprised why these snakes are eating bananas. So he thought it could be a terrible type of snake. I crept out of the room and with great fear in my heart ran out of the house, feeling sure that the snake would come back into the house, eat all the fruit and kill all of us. So he slowly just come out of the room and followed the snake. As I went out, I saw Curry's black disappearing in the direction of the pavilion and was so frightened that I wanted his company to cheer me up. So whenever he was just moving towards the pavilion of the elephant, he could see the back of the Curry. I ran after him into the pavilion and I found him there eating bananas. I stood still in astonishment. The bananas were lying strewn all around him. So he was carrying all the bananas and inside the pavilion he sat there and eating the bananas. He stretched out his trunk and reached for one far away from where he was standing. That instant, the trunk looked like a black snake, and I realized that Curry was the thief. So whenever he reached the pavilion, the elephant was with a banana moving, stretching out the trunk towards the boy. So he could understand that that was not actually snake, it was actually the trunk of Curry. And I realized that Curry was the thief. I went to him, pulled him out by the ear and joyously showed my parents that it was Curry and not I that had eaten all the fruit these many weeks. So he caught the thief and he had taken the thief to his parents and told that all these weeks the bananas, the fruits were not eaten by the servants, neither the servants nor me, but it was only this Curry. Then I scolded him, for elephants understand words as well as children, and I said to him, next time I see you stealing fruit, you will be whipped. So he was shouting at the elephant. So elephant easily understand that the boy was not pleasing with him. He was scolding. So the boy told to elephant that if you repeat the same thing, that is stealing fruits, I will whip you. Whip you means he will beat him with the whip. He knew that we were all angry with him, even the servants. So the elephant could understand that the boy as well as the parents and all servants was very angry with him. His pride was so injured that he never stole another thing from the dining room. And from then on, if anybody gave him any fruit, he always squealed as if to thank them. So after that incident, the elephant never tries to steal bananas or fruits from the dining room. But whenever someone has given something to him, some kind of fruits, he will make a squeal. That means just as telling thanks. Thankfully, he will make a noise. An elephant is willing to be punished for having done wrong. But if you punish him without any reason, he will remember it and pay you back in your own coin. And see, you all might have seen many people will harm the elephant, so that the elephant also will get angry with them and harm the people. So, but if we punish the elephant, if the elephant is doing some kind of mischievous things, he will not do anything. But if we punish this elephant without any reason, he will pay you back in your own coin. So this portion of the chapter teaches how the boy is training the elephant to do